Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reacting to Moto Madness compilation video. Since we are a motorcycle channel, we will be taking a look at this Moto Madness YouTube channel, which is basically about motorcycles and bad driving and overall a good compilation to watch. So the link to his video and to his channel will be down below, and let's begin, right? Damn American drivers, man. But the motorcyclists are crazy in America. I don't understand.
Yo, bro, what's your problem, bro?
Why you need to be toxic, man?
No, bro, when you see bike, bro.
Ride bike for 30 years, man.
Bro, when you see when you see a biker come, right? You say you ride for 3 years. When you see a bike, no, you didn't. You bro.
Alright, as I said, guys, the links will be in the description below. So, yeah. Driver on the phone. And motorcyclist, yeah. Middle finger, boys, let's go.
You're on the phone!
Look at me, man, what the Jesus Christ.
It's stupid!
Yeah, but you don't need to be toxic, don't be toxic, guys. Never, don't be toxic, no, don't rage.
Hey, you know waiting?
And don't even go on the road while you are angry, now, because when you're angry, you will drive fast, and that can end badly. Let's see what this guy will do.
I've seen him right here.
Okay. Oh, what is happening? Bro, why? Why?
God.
You stupid idiot, man. Jesus Christ.
He hit my leg. That one buzzard hit my damn leg.
Not only this was dangerous, but why would you do that, man? Look at him. He ran over one, I think. God damn it, man. Okay. Ooh, what a save. What an actual fuck. Okay, that was insane, man. Really insane. You can actually see the anti-brake system working, and somehow he didn't flip over. I mean, what incredible, really. The fast reactions, yeah. And that's why you need to listen while you're learning how to drive, you know. The teacher will teach you how to brake resistance, and he did it very well. See reactions now, boom. Very well done. Okay, we have a sports bike without mirrors. Another indication that this guy doesn't have a lot of brain, you know. Boom. And that's why you have mirrors, guys. Always when you're stopping, check the mirrors. And this guy doesn't have mirrors, and boom, that happens. I know this wasn't like he couldn't have done anything at this point, but you know, still, just to. And nobody helps him, man. What? Like, look, he just sits in the car, man. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, please.
What? These Americans, man. No one helps them. Like, what? Why doesn't no one help? This guy in the car still sits in his car.
Yeah, I'm good.
This guy has, yeah, it's a good, it's like almost the same bike as me. But it's a good looking bike though. Anything happened to his bike, bro? He legit just flew away, man. Of course something happened to his bike, bro. Jesus Christ.
If you could help me,
Yeah, help me. And another mistake. Bad picking up the bike. You should always pick it up with your back. Okay, that's another mistake. Yeah.
Thank
bro.
you. Yeah.
But now he comes outside. Jesus Christ, man. What a dumb idiot. Nice. I like this. This motorcycle is a very nice one.
Pull out in front of me.
Oh, here we go. He's gonna be toxic. Yeah, of course. Like in this instance, you should just like beep, you know. What's this? Empty or something like that? Okay, so he's. Aha, okay. I don't know what's happening here. What are you trying to do, man? Why? He's in the car, man, and you're on the bike. Yeah.
Why would you do that? Why wouldn't you just get over it?
Bro, what are you doing? No one has a proper suit on, man. Jesus Christ. Oh, and he, yeah. That was on piece. That was a driver. Okay. And here's the bike. Damn. 20,000 euro bike, man. Destroyed. Yeah, run. Run fast, man. Run fast.
No, let's get off the road. Let's get off the road.
No, it's not that bad, the guy. Though. I don't know why this is a total, but I don't know. It's not that bad. Especially if it's new, right? I mean...
Huh?
This guy's black,
Yeah, he
probably
just
because
got-
the incident, I don't know.
That's the BMW S1000 RR. Damn.
Oh damn, that's a
Yeah, he's,
BMW.
Tools all out.
Yeah, it's kind of
Cool.
destroyed though, yeah.
Yeah, his bike.
Yeah.
Was
I didn't see the other part, man. It's kind of destroyed, actually. Throttle therapy. What happened here? Okay, unexplained. This guy will probably cut the lane here. Let's see. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Yeah, let's go, baby. Full throttle, let's go. Yeah, man.
No!
Oh. Yeah, man, you will not be able to do that. So.
God damn.
Okay, it's not that
strong,
bad,
brother.
actually, man. Not that bad. Because it was a mod
Pull it straight back.
and nothing quite hard on the
Hang on, I'll
bottom.
pull the clutch. Ready?
Damn.
I got the clutch.
Thank God he had proper equipment on himself. though.
Honestly, it don't look bad.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Look.
Can we?
Just a little clean up, maybe
Can we
a few
roll it back?
bruises or something, but
My foot's
apart
getting
from
soaked.
that, it's not a big problem. You don't get these kind of clips on the internet apart from this channel, you know. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, and I see you next time. Peace.